Hey brewers, it's fucking Friday. I know I got a little messed up on Good Friday. I was a little fucked up from bad Thursday, you know what I'm saying?
I now ate a ladle. It's like gravy.
Now, it is time to see if I can make Skulls Light using only snow. It's the simplest beer we make, so let's see if this is gonna be all fucked up. I have high hopes, because I tasted the sample when I kegged it, but let's just see. We got kegs fucking everywhere. Next video is gonna be in the fridge. We got this thing. We got the 4-tap kegerator. We got my house. Like, there's just fucking beer everywhere around here. Life is good. All right. So this is just the old picnic tap that I probably haven't cleaned in 3 weeks. Far so good. I think I might have overcarved her a little bit. Boom. So I did overcarb it a little bit, but look at that clarity, baby. Skulls Light all day and night. Now I'm gonna pour. So on the left, to the left is the Snow Skulls. Now we're gonna take a nice cold can of Skulls Light from the Torque boys and girls. Pour ourselves a little something of that and we'll have a little comparison. All right, so the Torque one is not overcarb. That's a good thing. Here, let me top that sucker up. And our foam's gone down a little bit. Whoa. Top it up. Boom. All right, so in my left hand is Snow Skulls. In my right hand, the commercial version of Skulls Light. Holy moly, I think my Snow Skulls has a little bit better clarity. Look at that. Look at that. Little nicer head. Wow. Snow might be the secret ingredient from now on. Oh boy, let's have a little sippy poo. Okay? Paul, you checking this out? Yo! Where the fuck is he? There he is. Skulls Light. Tastes like Skulls Light that I've been drinking literally miles and miles and gallons of. Get yourself to pour on there, Paul Tower.
I'm pouring out of this can?
That one's empty. And this is my Snow Skulls. I might like the Snow Skulls just a little bit better.
Look at that.
Look at that, baby. That's the Snow Skulls right there. What do you think, Paul?
They look the same, man. Let's see if they taste the same, smell the same, make you feel the same way.
I bet you they make you feel the same way. I feel like I'm oddly getting a little bit more of a malty note out of the Snow Skulls.
I was gonna say I smell a little bit more malt.
Well, I think we have scienced the question. Can you brew beer using snow instead of water? Abso-fucking-lutely. Can you nail your pH? We already know that. Can you nail your mineral content? That we cannot. But through some miracle, we've gotten a real nice mineral profile too, it seems.
Yeah, these are both good. I feel like this one has maybe just a little bit more mouthfeel, a little bit more malt flavor. I actually prefer the snow one, to be honest. But we're running out of snow, so we'll see it next winter.
Yeah, we'll have to see you next winter on that one. All the snow around here is brown and gross.
Rainwater, we could try that.
Yeah,
next.
we've got to try it. We should try a rainwater one.
Just if anybody else has an idea, don't collect it off your roof. I'm gonna put out some pails and stuff.
Yeah, we'll get one of those 55-gallon drums and just throw it outside and put a screen on it so the frogs don't get in there.
Well, I'd say that's a success.
All right, well, cheers.
Cheers.
Should I finish it up? Let's finish it up. So next time, don't get too fucked up. Trying to figure out, like, what's the fuck here, right? Must be that tasty, tasty air pollution. Chemtrails, baby! Taste the chemtrails.